Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. So in previous term we had learned ABCD till A to O. From letter A to O we had learned, right? So now from today we are going to learn letter P. We are going to write letter P. So start doing it. So you can see there is a capital P and small letter P. P for parrot. Say P for parrot. So say the names of the pictures that begin with P sound and color them. So this is P for pot and P for peacock. Say after me, repeat after me. P for pot, P for peacock. So on the next page you can see P for potato and next is P for papaya. बोलो आप लोग मेरे पीछे, repeat after me. P for potato and P for papaya. So how we are going to trace it? Let's trace and write the letter P. So standing line, make a standing line and then curve. This is how we are going to write letter P. Red line to blue line and from red line to blue line curve. P for potato, P for parrot, P for papaya, P for peacock and P for pot. You have to say and write. Each time when you write you have to say and write. Okay? जब आप एक एक लेटर लिखोगे हर एक बॉक्स में आपको बोल बोल कर लिखना है. What will you say? So now अभी हमने ये ट्रेसिंग वाले दो किए हैं. हम अभी लिखेंगे विदाउट ट्रेसिंग वाले, जहाँ पे ट्रेसिंग डॉट्स नहीं है. Where there is no tracing dots, we are going to write there. So you can see the green dot over here. From there itself you have to start. So place your pencil on that green dot and make a standing line. This is how we are going to do it. Then again trace your pencil on the green dot and make a curve. This is how we are going to write the letter P. Once again trace your pencil on the green dot, make a standing line, then again on the green dot and make a curve. That is P for parrot. So now we are going to write, that was a capital letter P and this is small letter p. So how we are going to write a standing line and then make a curve. Okay, standing line and make a curve. You have to write it small letter. So trace and write letter P. So trace your pencil on the green dot, make a standing line and make a curve from here. You can see how I have written. That is how you are going to write standing line and P. So now we have completed writing on the tracing dots. So now we'll write where there is no tracing dots. So you can see the green dot here. Trace your pencil here, make a standing line and then curve. This is how we are going to write. So on each box पूरा पेज आपको complete करना है. That is your homework. Same you can see write letter P. This is capital P. आपको capital P लिखना है and then यहाँ पे small letter P. Okay, you have to say and write. So this is underline P in the words. That is you can see आपको P जो word है, P जो letter है, ये words दिए हैं, 3 letter words given here. So you can see in each word there is a P, letter P. So what we are going to do is we are going to underline those letter. Which letter we are going to underline? We are going to underline the letter P. So this is a P, again this. There are 2 P's. So we are going to underline. Again here you can see there is a letter P, underline this letter P. In same way आपको बाकी के जो वर्ड्स है उसमें जो भी लेटर P है उसको आपको क्या करना है, नीचे से अंडरलाइन करना है जैसे टीचर ने किया है. देख सकते हो है ना? Right. Next is write capital P and small letter P below the pictures. So what are we going to do here is हमें ये pictures के नीचे capital P and small letter P लिखना है. We are going to write it. So P for papaya. So capital P is like this and small p is like this. You can see P for papaya. Then P for peacock. P for peacock. This is how we are going to write it. Rest pictures you have to write it. Okay. Now we'll learn letter Q. Now we'll learn letter Q. So Q for queen. Say all of you, Q for queen. This is a capital letter Q and this is small letter q. What is Q for? Queen. So see the names of the pictures that begin with Q sound and color them. This is quilt and this is quill. So we are going to color it. आपको जो भी favorite colors है, जो भी colors पसंद है, you can use any color of your choice and color these pictures. So now we'll learn how to write capital letter Q. Q for question mark and Q for quail. So let's trace and write letter Q. Trace your pencil on the green dot and make a circle. This is how the circle is, and then slanting line, small slanting line towards outside. Again this. Okay, so now do it. Make a circle and slanting line. Q for question mark. Q for question mark. Right? Next, there is a small letter Q. How we are going to write a small letter Q? This is how. So make a curve, standing line. Okay. This is how here we are going to write. But then we'll trace and write a letter Q. That is, trace your pencil on the green dot, make a curve, standing line and small slanting line. You can see I'll do one here also. From the green dot we have to start, make a circle, make a standing line and then make a small slanting line. This is how we are going to write a Q for queen. Q for queen. Understood all of you? Next you have to write the capital letter Q and small letter q. That is your homework. Each box you have to write the capital letter Q and you have to say and write Q for question mark, Q for queen. Okay. Next you can write the letter Q, small letter q. यहाँ पे आपको छोटा लेटर वाला Q लिखना है. ठीक है. Circle the pictures that begin with Q sound. How are you going to circle the picture? कौन सा पिक्चर Q साउंड होता है? That is Q for queen, Q for quill and Q for question mark. Okay, so you are going to circle it. So Q for queen को सर्कल करना है, बाकी के दो पिक्चर्स आपको सर्कल करना है. That is your homework. Next, write Q below the picture. What are we going to do? We are going to write Q letter below the picture. So Q for queen, and this is small letter Q, Q for queen, and this is Q for quilt and Q for quilt. Okay, बाकी के rest you have to write. That will be your homework. Okay, thank you so much. So now in previous term we have learned from letter A to O, right? A to O. So we are going to write it. So in previous term we had learned letter A to L, right? So in notebook, आपको जो नोटबुक दिया गया है 200 पेजेस का सिंगल लाइन नोटबुक, उसमें आपको A से M तक लिखना है. दैट यू हैव टू राइट 2 टाइम्स. ओके पेरेंट्स, आपको ऐसे रोज बनाने हैं और बच्चों को kids will write below that. Okay, so we are going to write a small capital letter and as well as small letter. So this is how we are going to write A. This is a capital A, then small a. Okay, capital B, then small b, capital C, then small c, capital D, and then small d. Okay, this is how you are going to write. आपको ये आपके नोटबुक पे लिखना है और 200 पेजेस का जो नोटबुक है उसमें आपको 2 टाइम्स लिखना है. नेक्स्ट पेज अगेन यू हैव टू राइट कैपिटल E, देन स्मॉल लेटर E, कैपिटल F, स्मॉल लेटर F, capital G, small letter G, capital H, small letter H. Okay, then we'll write capital letter I, small letter I, capital letter J, small letter J, capital letter K, small letter K, capital letter L, small letter L. Then we'll write capital letter M, then small letter M. Okay, this is how we are going to write it. Then we'll write capital letter N, small letter N, capital letter O, small letter O, capital letter P, small letter P. Okay, this is how we are going to write it. Then capital letter Q and small letter Q. Okay, understood all of you? This is how we are going to write in your notebook.